Hi there. So this is going to be just a quick little video. This is a really easy and good way to upgrade performance on an older MacBook Pro. Now this one's a mid 2012, and you can see that it has 4 gig installed, two 2 gig sticks, and we're just going to go ahead and take those out and put some bigger ones in, and I'll walk you through the process. It's really quite simple. Anybody can do it, honestly. If I can do it, anybody can do it. So here we go. What you're going to need to do is there's these screws here on the top, 2 on the side, and 4 on the bottom here, 4 on the top. You just need to basically take those out, and it helps if you have a nice small little kit here. I use this little iFixit kit. It works out pretty well. I can see here. I think that's the one. So I use the lid here to store the screws in order so I don't forget where they go.
The combination of the dog tag and a small chain told me this guy was likely very young, possibly 18.
So
to the south, Adrian is digging
these out.
trying to discover what this young German soldier could have been up against.
These down here on the bottom.
A bit speechless at the moment. We've got 1 Russian bayonet and 1 Russian machine gun magazine from BP-28. The hole just kept on giving, bit by bit. Something started emerging from the soil, and I just couldn't believe what I was seeing.
There. These little 2 little ones here. There's all different ones, so you have to kind of make sure you keep them in order.
Iron, and it's not the right shape. So I'm a betting man. I've got a Russian bayonet, a Russian BP-28
on the top.
magazine, and I've got something which I think is a Russian machine gun. And I really hope I'm right.
I had to stay focused because whatever that large object was, I had to make sure.
This one I just picked up from, so you can see they're different, those 2. Different there.
Every spray that goes out, the heart rate goes up.
Make sure you don't mix those up.
So this is 1 genuine Russian BP-28.
Alright, so that's that. So you got all those down. You just pull the cover off.
After 70 years, I can imagine being one of the Russian guys just shooting.
And this one has a little scudge in here, no big deal. There's a it has a little solid state hard drive in it, battery, which needs to be replaced as well. This is the they call it the super drive, I think. Everything else looks pretty decent. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the battery.
My voice is going funny. What happens when you get left alone in the woods? Oh, it's not. Look at that.
Kind of pry it up out of the way there. That's the battery connection there. And then what you do is you just pop these little modules out. And there's 2 of them, so I'll put those aside. And these are DDR3 1600, so they're a little old. But basically they're still available. There we go. Alright. These new ones. Oh wait. Nope. These are just better. Alright. There. There's the new ones. These are on Amazon. I think this kit here is it's a 16 gigabyte kit. So I'm going to go from 4 to 16, which is the max for this particular machine. This kit here, as of March 2021, off Amazon is about $63, $64. And they're very easy. Getting the package opens the hard part, apparently. All right. So these are going to go back in just right where the other ones came out. So put the bottom one in first.
It's a bloody thing. There's 4 edges. So when you stab somebody with a Russian bayonet, it's going to
Top
hurt.
one in next.
A lot of damage. That detail is very important.
And that is it. That is that. Now you've upgraded your kit from 4 gig to 16 kit in just a matter of moments. Put the battery back up. Okay, it's all good. Not too much scudging here. It's a little bit, but make sure everything's still attached. Top cover back on.
Helping the team, Victor's Ducks is scouting another section of the German trench lines nearby. So I can hear
Screws in.
Come here now. And when you hear that, you run over there quickly.
Right where I got them
What
from.
you got, Victor's? Oh. Skull? It looks like it to me. There's obviously a soldier in there.
Kind of get them all in to start a little bit first, just to make sure nothing gets
Found a second body
cross-threaded.
with so many thoughts going through my head.
It's too
What
funky.
can it tell us about the fighting? Or were there any secrets?
Give it a couple twists. Right back where you found them.
This is just coming
Come on, come on.
She's a piece of leather. It looks like her belt.
Those are there, isn't it?
These are tiny little screws. They're going to be a real pain in the ass.
So I've got the guy's pencil, still sharp, a little pocket knife, and this.
I still have to get some new bottom feet for this one somewhere. So he has 1 foot left.
I was carrying those things around with me that day as well.
At the end of the world.
Right, so as well.
I think it's going to rain, guys.
Come on, get up there.
We have to get his body out carefully, but we have to factor in the weather. The Elton Latvian rainstorm.
There's other 2 there.
It's getting pretty intense. We're burning daylight. We need to get the body.
Okay. Almost there. Get them all started. Just like anything that has mechanics involved, you want to make sure you're not doing something that you don't want. Or cross-threading screws or
The boulder is a massive obstacle for the recovery team, slowing their progress in discovering any more evidence of fighting here in the last year of World War II.
Straight underneath this big rock. The question, could we get the body out while preserving the evidence that we can?
Is he going under the rock?
Laying basically his feet are about where we are.
Listen. Okay, we've got this storm coming in, it's raining, it's getting dark. We're going to need to flip this rock over.
Alright. Screws are all in. Go ahead and plug it and turn it back on.
Go. What we're going to do is we're going to slowly get our shovels in and just move the rock up ever so slightly. Easy. And now we need to...
Come on, turn on.
It's just sinking. Because the water was so deep and the mud was getting thicker
There
and
it
thicker
goes.
and the rain was coming down, the rock was just sinking.
Let that boot up real quick.
Oh, we got it. The rock sank deeper and that soldier's legs came clear.
Thank you. Wow.
Wow. Underneath here.
See that?
Wait. Oh. This is a real roller coaster ride, this. My emotions were spinning. It's like, bam! Here's something else you weren't expecting. Bam! It's just like, it's so intense being at the bottom of that hole. Finding these things that just weren't expecting.
And we'll see if it works. I mean, it obviously works because the computer's working. You need to connect the mouse still. Come on, connect up. Connect up Bluetooth. Oh well, let's go here. Go here about this Mac. Now, as you can see, it says 16 gigabytes. So it has 2 8-gigabyte sticks for a total of 16 gigabytes. And it literally took me, 4 minutes something like that to do this. Anyway, if you're feeling, you know, like you want to upgrade your memory, I honestly, I couldn't agree. I couldn't recommend more doing it, because this will significantly speed up your system. So anyway, cheers. Have a